Hello guys, welcome back to again iTechHub YouTube channel. My name is Dhruvin. Here in this video I will show you how to shut down and restart Apple Vision Pro. Apple recently released the latest gadget, the Apple Vision Pro. If you have purchased this device, are you unsure about the how to power off and also how to restart Apple Vision Pro? So guys, before the starting this video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and iPad. In this video, I will show you 3 ways you can easily shut down and restart Apple Vision Pro. Now please make sure follow the steps and easy to restart your Apple Vision Pro. Now first one solutions is using control buttons. Now this question is how to do. Now first one step is press and hold the digital crown and top button together until power off slider appears. Now the second step is then perform a pinch gesture to swipe the power off slider to right. This way too you can easily shut down Apple Vision Pro. Method number 2 is using the Siri. If you have a setup Siri on your device, you can use it to power off. Just say, "Hey Siri, shut down my device." This one is method number 2 for the shut down Apple Vision Pro. Now the third one and most important solutions is using the setting. You can easily shut down Apple Vision Pro. Now the step number 1 is navigate to settings from the home view. Second step is also select the general menu and the tap on the shutdown. Now the third one and most important step is perform the pinch gesture to drag the power off slider to the right. This method number 3 too you can easily using settings, restart and also shut down Apple Vision Pro. This 3 way too you can easily restart and also shut down Apple Vision Pro. I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you have any query about it, so please DM on my Instagram. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.